Welcome back, happy Monday. I hope everybody had an amazing weekend. Before we get to weather, the first supermoon of 2025 begins. It will be the largest and brightest full moon so far this year. That's because its elliptical path is bringing the moon to its closest point, just over 360,000 kilometers from Earth. October's full moon is called the harvest moon because it is the one closest to the first day of fall. NASA says tonight's moon will reach its peak at 8:48 p.m. Supermoons occur 3 to 4 times a year. The next two will take place on November 5th and 6th. And now let's start with the daily almanac. So the wind today traveled west at 30 kilometers per hour. We saw the sunrise at 7:13 a.m. The sunset will be at 6:24 p.m. And the pressure today, 100.8 kPa. So the temperatures in Dawson Creek today, the high was at 16 degrees. It's a little warmer than the past couple of days. In Chetwynd, similar high at 16 degrees. Fort St. John, a degree lower at 15 degrees. In Fort Nelson was cooler at 8 degrees. There is also a 30% chance of showers tonight there. Now let's take a look at the regional forecast. Grand Prairie and Spirit River will both be 15 degrees tomorrow. There is going to be some showers in Grand Prairie and some clouds in Spirit River. Chetwynd is expected to reach 14 degrees with a chance of precipitation. It will for sure rain in Fort Nelson tomorrow with a high of 12. Hudson's Hope, the high is 13 degrees. Again, a chance of precipitation there. And Tumbler Ridge, cooler at 9 degrees, and again, a chance of showers there. Now let's take a look at the 5-day forecast for Fort St. John. Tonight, the low is 10 degrees. There is going to be some clouds, but it's going to be mostly clear. Tuesday, a high of 14 degrees with a 40% chance of showers throughout the day and 70% chance of showers at night. On Wednesday, the high is 9 degrees with a mix of sun and cloud. Then it's going to be a little warmer and sunny on both Thursday and Fridays. Both days is going to reach 14 degrees. Now let's take a look at the 5-day forecast in Dawson Creek. Tonight, a low of 9 degrees with some clouds. On Tuesday, a high of 14 degrees, and there is going to be a 40% chance of showers as well throughout the day. On Wednesday, some clouds, but it's going to be mostly sunny. The high is 9 degrees. Then there is going to be some sun on both Thursday and Friday, similar to Fort St. John with highs at 14s. But then on Saturday, no more sun. There is a chance of flurries at about 60%. Now let's take a look at the province of BC and Alberta. 20 degrees in both Calgary and Edmonton with a mix of sun and cloud. Prince George, 11 degrees with a chance of showers. Similar temperatures in Prince Rupert at 11 with precipitations. And then Vancouver, the high is 16 degrees, again, with a chance of rain. Now let's take a look at the national forecast, and I'll be right back with sports after the break.